sharing a brand new project. It's called the Journey Train Case. It's really cute, right? Look at this. It's such a nice little size. So let me tell you what this measures. So it's under 8 inches, is 5.5 inches wide, and it is almost 7 inches tall. So really adorable. This just showing you the train case first. This comes with a super fabulous project inside, and I'll share that with you in another video. So two ways that you can get this. You can get this as a standalone project, or you can get this in the sorry, not November, the Fall Days CMC, which all of these will be linked down below. All of your purchase options. Guys, this is a must make. I take you through the process in the step-by-step videos, and there is also a written tutorial for you guys available for this one as well, and it is right now in the project folder for you to get cracking and get your craft on, my friends. It is gorgeous. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll share with you the goodies inside. Let me know what you think about this one. I think it's just so adorable. This is part of a larger project. So it's called the Journey luggage set. One is the suitcase, then there's a hat box, and there's the train case. So stay tuned for all of those videos, and you can get everything a la carte, guys. The only one that's in the Fall Days CMC is the train case. So stay tuned for all of the details. These would look gorgeous stacked up one on top of the other. If you're making the Savannah Wild Kingdom project with me, which is the Journey Remix, that's the suitcase that corresponds to this trio set. All right, so I will have everything for you guys if I'm getting the waters are getting a little muddy here with all of these projects. But this one, if you want this one, it comes with an album. It is called The Journey Train Case, and this is linked in the description box below for everyone. So let me know your thoughts on this beautiful, beautiful little piece. I hope you love it.